Hi guys, welcome back. In this video what we are going to do is hide the keyboard after the go button is pressed. So for example, if you open the emulator and we type in a URL over here, a keyboard won't open. But in a real life mobile phone, for typing the URL, a keyboard will open where we can type the alphabets of the URL. And when we press the go button, that keyboard won't go away. So we are going to write the code so that automatically when the go button is pressed, the keyboard shuts down itself and closes. To do that, we use something known as input method manager. So what we are going to do, we are going to write, first I'm going to write a comment so that you guys know what this was about. So we are going to use something known as input method manager. We are going to write that. And then I'm going to declare the variable name. I'm just going to call it IMM. You can call it as anything. Then just like the buttons above, like for example, we declared the context of the button over here. So we are going to write over input method manager again over here. Then we are going to write get system service, and then we are going to write over here context dot input method service. Now what this line as a whole does, it just gets the keyboard that opened up and stores it in the variable IMM. The instance of the keyboard that opened up is stored in the variable IMM. So now what we are going to do, now that we have captured the keyboard, we are going to close the keyboard. To do that, we are first going to type IMM, then hide. We are going to choose the first helper option. We are going to click on it, and then it requires two things. It requires a window token and it requires a flag. Now what is a window token? Window token is basically like it needs the edit text value and it needs to identify which edit text we are talking about. So we need to put in URL edit over here. We are going to put URL edit and then dot get window token, and we are going to put the flag as 0. So what the flag as 0 means, that it means that it's okay to hide the keyboard. So the first line basically initializes the keyboard and stores it into the variable IMM, and then the second line hides the keyboard. So this is pretty much it for this video. Now if you run the application on your mobile phone, you'll see that after pressing the go button, the keyboard hides itself. In the next video, we are going to implement these 4 buttons: forward, backward, refresh and clear. So I'll see you over there.